Hey, what's up everybody? I am Jason and you're watching my channel Micro Investor. So in this video we're going to be talking about Li Auto. It's a Chinese electric vehicle company in China. It's a very similar play to NIO and also XPeng, which we recently just talked about on this channel. So I hope you guys do enjoy it. And if you do, please be sure to smash, destroy, and annihilate that like button because it does help me out with the YouTube algorithm and help spread this video to more people that might find it interesting. And also, subscribe if you have not already because I'm trying to get to 3,000 subscribers by the end of September. So Li Auto is a 5-year-old Chinese electric vehicle company that started trading on NASDAQ on July 30th under the ticker symbol LI. So now it seems like every single week there's a new electric vehicle stock out on the market, or at least it seems like I talk about a new one every single week. With Tesla being the most valuable automaker, there's this new focus on new EV companies coming out, like, say, for example, Nikola, Karma, Fisker, and Rivian, who hasn't gone public yet, but I'm sure that's coming soon too. Now, Li does not compete with Tesla in North America. They compete with Tesla in Asia, primarily China, which is Tesla's second largest market. But it wouldn't be right to compare Li to Tesla or Li to even a big play in China like BYD. It would make more sense to compare Li to somebody like NIO or XPeng. Now, Li's taken a different approach to electric vehicles, or should I say just electric vehicle, as they only have one on the market, and it's more of a hybrid of sorts. And ironically, their hybrid SUV is called One. So they have two electric motors, one on the front axle and one on the rear axles, but these motors are powered by a combination of a 40.5 kilowatt hour battery pack and a 1.2 liter turbocharged engine paired with a 45 liter fuel tank, which is about 12 gallons. And it has a 100 kilowatt hour electric generator, which feeds power to the battery pack in real time. Now, the vehicle can be driven about 180 kilometers, which is about 112 miles on battery alone. But when you leverage the combustion engine, it can be driven a range of around 800 kilometers, which is nearly 500 miles. The company says doing things this way will get around China's inadequate private and public fast charging infrastructure, which also keeps costs lower than electric vehicles. It also argues that the approach will contribute to wider and earlier adoption of electric vehicles in China. Li is looking to sell a variety of SUVs built on hybrid technology that range from around $21,000 to $70,000 US dollars. The company started to deliver their first model in late 2019, and so far to date they've delivered 14,656 of them. And out of all those vehicles that were delivered so far, 2,711 of them were just in August of 2020. Now, the One is a mid-size SUV that is filled with lots of touchscreens and other technology, like an advanced driver's assistant. But a full-size premium version is set to be released in 2022. Now, like many other EV companies in China, Li Auto sells its SUVs directly to consumers, but unlike NIO, which pays a state-owned automaker to contract manufacture all of its cars, Li Auto builds its own vehicles. Now, because they are making their own vehicles, their startup cost is a lot more money than NIO spent, but they will reach profitability more than likely a lot sooner than NIO will because of this. But that would have to mean, of course, that there would be a continued market for hybrid electric vehicles. Now, personally, I don't see that. I see that eventually everything's going to have to go full electric, and if Li's going to really want to accomplish anything, they are going to have to go full electric, battery run electric, and not do hybrid. Now let's take a look over at Li's stock. Now, over the last month, it hasn't really done much at all, and which is kind of a surprise to how a lot of these newer EV stocks are performing. But it's still really early to tell what's going to happen with Li. Now, if you're a longtime investor into NIO, then you know that NIO had played a lot of games on us as investors. So anything could really happen. I mean, Li could drop down to $2-3 a share, and it wouldn't really be much of a surprise at this point. Now, as far as my interest in investing into Li Auto, right now it's something that I'm not really interested in, just because that they do have that hybrid factor going on, and I would want to see more of a battery fully operated vehicle instead of that, because I think the technology that they have, there's so much better technology out there. Like companies like Hyundai are doing with the Hyundai Sonata, where it has a solar powered roof on their hybrid. I think that's a much better vehicle than what Lee's doing. So for that reason, I wouldn't want to invest into it right now. Anyways, I'd like to hear what your guys' thoughts of Li Auto is. Is there anybody out there that is invested into them or thinking about investing into them? Please let me know. So as always, everybody, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you all in the next video really soon.